And here I have Dr. Fry's Computer Keyboarding for Beginners. So this is a very good workbook, teacher-created resource. Very good workbook on how to learn keyboarding. And so let's just flip through this so I can kind of show you. It tells all the lessons in the table of contents, introduction to keyboarding, and gives everything you need to know, as well as how to sit properly. Good posture. Introducing home row. If you've taken keyboarding before, you know the home position and home row and where to place your fingers. So it has very good diagrams on where your hands are going to be. And then exercise 1, JF, 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 FJ, FJ, FD, JK, LAD. So you're just going to type those and see how many mistakes you're going to make. Lesson 2, 3, start upper row, more upper rows, 18 keys, whole upper rows, 20 keys, 24 keys, the complete alphabet. And you can see as you progress, it's going to give you a little bit harder stuff to type, more drills, and the period, and it just keeps progressing and progressing. So this is a very good workbook to learn how to type and to use keyboarding, and that is the way the world is going with keyboards and computers. You're definitely going to need to know how to type and use that computer a little bit faster. So 3 symbols, a business letter, final time drill, 300 instant words. Okay. And it continues on. And let's see what the last page is on here. Lesson 1, and what's cool is actually when you get to the end here, computer keyboard, is you have a diploma, computer keyboarding for beginners. So you can sign this and give that out to whoever finished the course. But anyway, that is computer keyboarding for beginners. Highly recommend. You should definitely check it out.